Welcome once again. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this simple flyer design using Pixellab. So if you're coming across my video for the first time, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload any interesting videos like this, you'll be the first person YouTube will notify. So now let's get started. The first thing I did was to import the background I used. So this is the particular background I used. Then let's centralize it, increase the size and then centralize it. So this is it. The next thing I did was I imported this text effect and I achieved this text effect with Photopea. So if you've not watched my video on how to edit basic text effects using Photopea, you can go ahead and watch that. So let's centralize this, then go ahead and lock it up. So the next thing I did was I imported this. So this is it. I brought this icon. Then after bringing the icon, I wrote let's talk. Then I merged both the text and the icon together. Then go to erase color and enable it. So this was how I achieved this particular effect. So let's centralize it and then take it to the back. Take it to the back like this. So this is it. So the next thing I did, let's bring in this. The next thing I did, I went to shape, increase the radius to 5 and reduce it like this. Something like this. Then go ahead and centralize it like this. So let's bring this down a little bit. Let's bring this and this down. So something like this. Bring this down as well. So the next thing I did was come over to text and I'll write games, talk, joke, red old food, drink. So jokes and red old, then food and then drinks. So this was the particular font I used for that design. So I guess this is the particular font. Or let's use this. Then I'll change the color to black. And then I'll reduce the size. Then come over to align, click on this. And then this is it. So I can come over to line spacing and reduce it like this. Then come over to size and reduce it. Then I'll centralize it as well. This is it. So the next thing I did, I imported this. Then placed it somewhere here. Then go ahead and write time 3 p.m. Okay, let me write 3 p.m. Oh, sorry, 3:30 p.m. 3:30 p.m. So I changed the color to white, and the particular font I used for this is Bebas. So come over here and type Bebas. So this is it. I increase the size like this. Then I'm rushing it for the sake of this video. Just increase the size, and then you can choose to copy it. Then write time. Then change the color to, let's pick a color from these text effects. So let's pick this yellow. And then change the color to change the font to the first one we used, which is this. So now bring it here and then reduce the size. So that is it. Make sure you align it properly. So the next thing I did, come over to shape, increase the radius, then do it like this, something like this. Then bring it at the back, take it behind this icon like this. So go ahead and lock it. Then come over to text and write venue, War Museum, Umuahia, Abia State. So change the color to black, then change the color of venue to red. Let me pick the color from this. So this is it. Then reduce the size and then place it here. So let's copy it, or let's delete it. Let's copy this font and then write Tuesday 20th May 2025. So let's change the color to black and then carefully align. So we are trying to achieve something. So the next thing I did was come over to shape, increase it like this, and then click on this check mark, centralize it, then take it down like this. So let's bring this background up a little bit. This is it. So I'll copy this text and I'll write powered by Omawa Alaucha Christian Youth Fellowship. So this is it. Then I'll change the color of powered by to red, and then come over to spacing, increase it, and then increase the size. Then I'll centralize it. So this is it. This is what we've achieved so far. So let me import this green stuff that looks like leaf. So this is it. I think it's not the same leaf I used for this design. So just bring in the leaf and you can copy it. You can copy it and then copy it and bring it here. You can erase, come to erase and then erase this. So you can just place it here. Just be creative. Then copy it as well. Then you can place it here. You can as well copy again. Copy again and then place it here. So I guess that's all. You can just delete this. So this is what we've achieved so far. You can come to save and save as PNG and alter. So try this out and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next one.